Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel today. My name is Grace. I'm from workanywherenow.com. I'm also known as Littlemama online, and I'm really happy that you made it to my video today regarding 7 tips on how to start your affiliate marketing business. I'm very excited to share these tips with you today. And before I start though, just want to let you know that if you want to make money online and want to learn, I've been doing this for 2.5 years, so I can share you with a lot of tips. So please subscribe to my channel, and then you can get more tips from me and learn from me. Also, please, if you find value with this video, please like this video with a thumbs up, and also smash that notification button so you can see when my next video is on. Okay? All right. So 7 tips. All right. So the first factor that you need to check out when you're starting a new affiliate marketing business is that you need to have a focused niche. Focused niche, meaning you gotta you need to determine what your affiliate marketing business is gonna be about. Okay, what topic you're gonna get. So you can use there's many different niches that you can check out, and we always suggest that you go with a niche that you really like, meaning it's something that you're really passionate about or you really love. As well, you also want to make sure it has a good demand, okay, for that niche. And you also want to kind of figure out what kind of products you may want to promote in this niche that you like, okay? So all those different factors about picking a niche will help you build something that you will really be comfortable with, okay? And the next thing you're gonna need is a website, okay? So that's number 2 tip. You need to know how to create a website. Why you want a website is that you need online presence. If you don't have online presence, then it's very hard for anybody to find you, right? And building a website is awesome because then you could get ranked on search engines. And if you can get ranked on search engines, it means that you can get a bunch of free traffic, free visitors onto your online business without paying for any ads. This is what's happening to my website right now at workanywherenow.com. Last month, I had 45,000 visitors on my blog, and I did not have to pay for any of those leads. And so you need to really have a website and really build an audience, build an online presence, and that is really the way to free traffic, the way to really attract your visitors automatically without paying a penny, okay? So that means you're gonna need to learn some SEO skills and some ranking knowledge, and I could show you where you can learn all that actually if you don't know, okay? The third thing that you need to consider is searching for great affiliate programs. So for affiliate programs, what you're looking for is preferably like a long cookie session, okay? Like a lot of people like using Amazon affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates, but their cookie is only 24 hours. It means that your affiliate link, if they click on your affiliate link and go to Amazon to go shop, they only have 24 hours in order for them to actually put it in the shopping cart and pay to earn you commissions. So it's very short cookie time. Even though Amazon is a great affiliate program and many people use it, I just want to let you know the difference between that. So that's one of the things that you can look for in a affiliate program is how long the cookie is, because you may want the person to have more time to make a decision on making a purchase, okay? Another factor that you want to look for in affiliate program is a recurring membership type programs, where it's either a membership course or a membership platform, subscription type of some kind of club. And so if you can get one of these products, like tools, like digital tools are very good for affiliate programs, because tools are usually a month-to-month payment, and you could get commissions on these recurring monthly commissions like that, okay? Another factor to look for a great affiliate program is any incentives. Do they have any prizes to win, or any kind of big things that you can get when you reach a certain level? I mean, that's an optional, as a bonus type of thing to look for, because that's the kind of affiliate programs that do that is rare and is not the norm, okay? And then the potential of the affiliate program, like how much are you actually earning? Are you earning just a little bit, or are you earning a lot? So if you do like digital products, you may get a higher commission rate. Or if you do physical products, sometimes the commission rate is like 4%, versus a digital product could be 50%. So you need to kind of research your affiliate programs for the niche that you are going to go into, okay? So the fourth thing that you need to know about building an affiliate marketing business is there is going to be a lot of hard work. If you had any idea of making money online quick or fast, it's just not going to happen like that, okay? There's actually a lot of learning that goes into affiliate marketing. If you want to build this business, it's a very involved business to go into, and it is not for something to just try out, because it takes time to build this kind of business, okay? Especially if you're doing it with a website. If you're going to do it with a website, it takes a little time to get ranking, and you know, search engines don't even look at your website if it's new, right? So you need time to have it age and have it to build authority, and also just build your online presence with more and more content on there. And factor number 5 is gonna be consistency is so key, meaning you need to work on your online business every single week. If not every single week, every single day. And that's something I have done with my online business, and that's why I am earning a 4-digit monthly online income with it. So you can do this too if you can stay consistent, set a schedule, stick to a schedule. It really helps. And if you have that schedule and really focus your energy during that time and really build your business at that time, it's going to help you greatly. Okay. Number 6 is that you must have perseverance. Okay. What that really means is that please do not give up. No matter what kind of problems that you run into, any bumps in the road, it is part of the journey, guys. Okay. Many people give up too easily in this business, and it is why like majority of people don't make it in this business. Then they don't make any money online. It's because they are not pushing through and continuing even though there's problems. If there's problems, get help. You know, if you have a problem to fix, you need to find a solution and fix it. That's how you're going to learn, and that's how you're going to move forward, okay? So if you have number 6, you can really build that business all the way. And number 7, the biggest thing that I think that you need as a beginner to start an affiliate marketing business, and that is get training, guys. You know, it is not easy to just pick up and grab a website and then just go and start promoting. It's not that simple. There are actual techniques to learn, strategies to learn, and to get training. I really hope that you'll follow me and go with Wealthy Affiliate, as they are the leading affiliate marketing training platform out there. Really one of the best, okay? And I am a super affiliate on that platform, and I can really help you start your journey. As if you sign up with me, you get me as your premium coach on that platform. So if you upgrade to premium, that is, so you can start for free just to check out the lessons to see if you like it. But it's really cool because they have everything organized in a way that is step by step, and you just follow the course and you could build your business accordingly. All right. So, and that's exactly the training that I use to help me become a super affiliate. And I know that you can do this too with the same training that I have used myself. And I have bonus trainings as well that I can show you if you sign up with me. So how do you sign up with me? Well, of course, you're going to use my affiliate link, right? You're going to use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. If you go there, it will take you to the exact spot where you're going to need to sign up. And if you can get the free starter membership, get it so you can check it out. The only reason I say it's just that there's about 10 countries that are not allowed to have that free membership option, and that's because of there's high risks in those for fraud for those countries. So if that's the case, the only option that you have there is you have to go premium right away. And I'm sorry, that's just the way it goes. But I can promise you, it is so worth it, okay, guys? It is the same training that I use myself to become a super affiliate, and it's worked for me and many, many others. And I also show you how the many other success stories that are out on the platform as well. So I give you all that as my referral if you want to sign up with me and get training and get your online business going and use affiliate marketing. Is such a great business model because it's so simple. You're basically just driving traffic with your website to all these brands and products that you want to promote, and you're using your website as a vehicle to push all that traffic from the search engines to your website to the affiliate promotions. And that's how it's going to flow, and that's how you're going to make money. All right, guys, I'm super excited for you. If you want to join me and start this journey, I'm going to be there to help you. So please like this video if you have enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel. And I really hope you will join me at Wealthy Affiliate using workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. I'll see you on the inside, and look for Littlemama on there because that's who I am. And all my success posts are on my profile as well if you want to check that out as well, okay? So I'll see you there, and I hope to help you in the near future, okay?